Good morning. Welcome back to Blue Ridge Silverhound, and I got a market report for you. First, we're going to discuss the big modern coin sale of the weekend, brought to you by GreatCollections.com. Featured is a 1980 Philadelphia Washington quarter that was graded PCGS Mid-State 67 Plus. The cool part about this coin is it's the finest coin known, graded. It is a Pop 1, so that means there's only one graded at this level. 0 in finer condition, so this is as good as it gets. This example sold for a blistering $3,047.62. Now, there was one other coin in consideration that I thought that probably would have sold the most for this weekend through their weekly sale, and that was a 1983 dated coin. Only a few years younger than this one, and I thought it would trump it. But in this particular case, the 1980, being that it's the only coin of this caliber, of this grade known, took home the award for the highest modern coin sale through that particular auction house. So if you guys want to check out the auction listing, it is auction number 602669. At first glance, this coin is absolutely stunning. It is clean. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. Honestly, if it graded 68, you know what? I would say it deserves every bit of that accolade. There's no nicks, there's no bag marks, the rim is clean on the reverse and the obverse of the coin. This is truly a masterpiece all on its own, and it probably will go into a high-end registry set, and will complement very well to other coins graded similarly to this example. Again, it's probably either an old mid-set find, or perhaps it was from a BU roll that's been kind of stored away for a number of years up until someone decided to open it, possibly through a purchase, and went ahead and found these coins to send for grading. So truly marvelous coin. Congratulations to the buyer and the seller, of course. On a side note, okay, I'm also going to bring you today a little bit of the market watch. As everyone knows, there was a sharp sell-off in the stock market last week, and as a result, okay, there has been some movement in the precious metals market. Gold jumped up 2.5%. Okay, so they are now actively trading, and I can tell you as of this morning, and that's Monday, October 15th. Yeah. They are currently at $1228.90. Okay, so they're up $10.60, and silver is up 12 cents as well. They are coming back, approaching $15 an ounce. It is currently trading at $14.71. So this is live for you. So I want to end it on that note. Hope everyone had a fantastic weekend, and I could see a tide turning in the coin market. There's a lot of high-profile coins that were sold over the weekend that I will discuss through the week. A lot of really nice examples of some well-known varieties, like a 3070 three-legged buffalo, among a few other type coins that are absolutely phenomenal. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. Subscribe Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. It's a great place to hang out, watch videos on coin collecting. Yeah, it's one of my personal favorite hobbies of all time. And as always, appreciate your guys' time. Thank you again for all the support that you've given me, and I'll see you on the next one. You guys have a fantastic Monday.